In this video, we're going to break down the cloud hosting features of InMotion hosting versus TMD hosting to help you decide which one has the better cloud hosting for your needs. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one stacks up better and why you might want to consider another option altogether, especially if you're looking for the best bang for your buck. Let's start with the basics. Both InMotion hosting and TMD hosting offer cloud hosting solutions that claim to provide excellent performance, scalability, and reliability. But do they really deliver on those promises? Now, the first thing you'll want to look at is performance. InMotion hosting offers solid cloud hosting with SSD storage and a great uptime guarantee. However, many users report that while their performance is generally good, there can be some occasional slowdowns during high traffic periods. TMD hosting, on the other hand, offers a similar SSD setup but is often praised for its consistent speeds, especially in the budget range. However, both still have occasional reports of speed hiccups when compared to some of the top-tier hosting providers in the market. Next thing to consider is pricing. InMotion hosting offers competitive pricing, but it's often considered a little on the higher side, especially if you're going for their cloud VPS options. For the most part, InMotion hosting tends to lean more towards businesses that need solid resources at a slightly higher price. TMD hosting offers more affordable options, which might be appealing if you're just starting out or have a smaller budget. The question, though, is whether the lower price of TMD hosting really translates into value for the performance they offer. Sometimes, cheaper prices mean sacrificing on essential support or advanced features. The third thing we need to talk about is scalability. InMotion hosting shines here. They offer some of the most scalable cloud hosting solutions out there, especially if you're looking for a service that can grow with your business. The cloud architecture is robust, and you can easily scale your resources as your website or business grows. TMD hosting does offer scalability as well, but their options feel a bit more limited, and you may hit a ceiling faster than with InMotion hosting. When it comes to customer support, both companies offer 24/7 support, but I see mixed feedback on both sides. InMotion hosting support is often praised for being quick and knowledgeable, but sometimes they can be a bit too scripted, especially when dealing with complex issues. TMD hosting support, while available around the clock, tends to have a slower response time, and many users find that the answers they get are somewhat generic. So, if top-tier customer service is a priority for you, InMotion hosting might have a slight edge here. Security is the next point to address. Both services provide essential security features, including SSL certificates and malware protection, but InMotion hosting goes a step further by offering more robust security options, especially with their cloud VPS plans. TMD hosting does provide security tools, but they tend to be a little more basic. If you're running a larger website or need more advanced security features, InMotion hosting seems like the better choice here. Finally, let's talk about what many of you are probably wondering, which is the better cloud hosting option overall. Both have their strengths, but honestly, if you're looking for something that gives you the best balance between price, performance, and features, there's one hosting provider that stands out. The cloud hosting services offered by InMotion hosting versus TMD hosting are good, but after trying both myself, I would recommend looking into a different option. It's important to pick a cloud host that provides consistent performance, excellent customer support, and reliable scalability for your future growth. If you're still with me, I've got something great for you. If you want a better alternative for cloud hosting, something that I personally trust more than InMotion hosting or TMD hosting, check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to an exclusive free trial and benefits only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to upgrade your hosting experience.